How to lock chats in WhatsApp. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock chats in WhatsApp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are in your WhatsApp, find the chat you want to lock. This could be any individual or group conversation. Tap and hold the chat until it's selected. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Lock Chat. If this is your first time, WhatsApp will ask you to set up fingerprint or Face ID. Go ahead and complete the setup as prompted. Once done, the chat will be moved to a new section called Lock Chats. To access Lock Chats, swipe down on the main chat screen and tap Unlock Chats. You'll need to verify your fingerprint or Face ID to open it. And just like that, your chat is now locked and hidden from the main list. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.